this is the charter house. So you can see the building. It's very beautiful. With 7-Eleven downstairs, and this is the Greenbelt and then Greenbelt 1. Come on, let's go. Morning, afternoon pala. This is the hotel interior. Resto in the second floor. And then this is the lunch area. And then so come on, let's go. Superior room. What view is this? This is the penthouse. Wow. The bar. So this is a pool. Very small but very beautiful. At least there is a pool. Kind of cold. Okay, so this is the view of Greenbelt. As you can see, it's the view of Greenbelt 3. This is Greenbelt 1 with the parking there. Wow, and very beautiful view with the buildings on top. Wow. Okay. This is the price list. So room type, the room rates is 3,350 for superior, 3,500, 3,650 for premier, 3,800, 5,350, 5,500, 5,700, 6,000. So this is the rooms: superior room, premier room, VIP suite, family room. Then this one they have swimming pool, coffee shop, and the room, meeting room. This is the location map. 114 Legacy Street, Legacy Village, Makati. And this is Charter House. This is the restaurant here in Charter House. This is the restaurant. And the kitchen. There you go.